Nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ recharge a wabie wo page ne sei no na wakɔ my profile hɔ. Wokɔ my profile hɔ na ebie sei a na wamia recharge ne so. So wamia recharge na ha ne do papa ne wabisa wo sɛ wɔn sɛ convention bi wɔ aseɛ hɔ $1 is equal to 15 cedis. Nti the amount a wopɛ sɛ wotɔ no anaa rent na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ for the machine no na wabɔ ahyɛ nti wɔyɛ bɛyɛ $10 which is 150 cedis na yɛmia pay ne so. To mia pay na say na ebibie na wabɔ number na wopɛ sɛ wode yɛ no. So I've already copied the number. I will just paste the number here na ma confirm it. So they will ask you the network you want to use. So I've confirmed the network. Good. I haven't seen them for find difficulty. BSA, just copy the number at the account. Account here. Umia ha ebe copy. And also highlighting and so no wa copy. I see her. Now we're free her. I go back to your home. Over call home. Baby, over kwa sende sika. To call home wa na wako transfer money. The same process I would transfer money, no, but very unfortunate I wouldn't be using this one to transfer the money. Until we will transfer the money with the number here. Then after the transfer, no, what copy ID na aya MTN for the amount no. Once I also send this carry MTN for my IDB, just like something like, let's say, after every Momobiano there is an ID. IB for so you can see one is here, which starts with 29 something. Until no now be copy. I feel copy sa ID ni via. Now I back to the page. Then you paste the ID here. In case I've copied the ID something, I'll paste it here. Then I'll confirm it. It is because I've not copied anything in the issue. No? After the confirmation, then you come back to the second line which says confirm that you've paid the amount. Then you just click on it. It will lead you to the page. Then from there you go to more. After everything, you go to let's say more. You come back to the more, then you make the payment purchase over there and you start the machine. And I think that's all. Thank you.